1989 is when you started
Yes,
your own practice, and today we're sitting in 2024,
right.
right? ये जो journey रहा है 25 साल
Hmm.
का, what has been the change in the architectural landscape of India? आपके हिसाब से आप अपने शब्दों में ही बताओ कि
हाँ,
what is आप
yeah.
what has been this change?
So I see in two perspective. One is country कैसे बदला आर्किटेक्चर में,
हाँ जी.
एंड वन अनदर वन इज मैं कैसे बदला, माई ओन लर्निंग ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर चेंज क्या है, एंड मार्केट और द कंट्री में क्या चेंज हुआ. तो इफ आई पुट द कंट्री इन अ वे, first of all that I was very lucky. I am very lucky that I was born and brought up in Ahmedabad, and Ahmedabad was always known as the Mecca of architecture. So architecture का काम अहमदाबाद का client है तो he is very mature because they have brought the Louis Kahn, they have brought the Le Corbusier, they have brought the Kanvinde, they have BV Doshi, they have Charles Correa, they have Anant Raje,
Right.
all legends. So the
Yes.
maturity of Ahmedabad clientele was wonderful. No, I don't say like Delhi or South. Or I still remember Sarabhai House, which was designed by Le Corbusier, and those time has a charpai in their living room. Charpai को हम
हाँ.
खटिया बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
So there is a respect of our traditional way of living. So they have gracefully put the charpai as a बैठक of living room, which was the finest building of residential building by the international known master. तो दिस वॉज, बट वही घर में वो 500 रुपये की खटिया थी वो टाइम की, वो रखी हुई है वो घर में. वही घर के बाहर लॉन में इतना सा बड़ा एप्पल स्टोन का एप्पल बाय अनीस कपूर, which will cost more than the Le Corbusier's building today. So that's the Ahmedabad. That's the client maturity of understanding the interiors and the space of that. So I was lucky. So Ahmedabad has that culture slowly हो गया because वही देखा सबने वही देखा. So that was a very plus point for us. So yes, when we started working Ahmedabad, yes, we have very mature way of it. The demand of client would be very simple, functional oriented. NID is there, SEPT is there, so that influence is constantly there because you keep going there, and
Right.
that kind of language is Ahmedabad had. But let's say after the India, when we open up globally, Manmohan Singh ji came, and then politically Atal Bihari ji came, and India opened up. And when India opened up, we become economically very powerful. तो सडनली पैसे आए तो आप उसको यूज करें, तो सडनली इंडिया इट सेल्फ इज स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग डिफरेंटली. आज मेरे पास पैसे, तो मेरे पास अभी बाथरूम बनाने तो वो टाइम में मोज़ेक ही था. आज तो आई हैव 10 हंड्रेड्स पॉसिबिलिटी. आई कैन गो इन ब्राज़ील एंड गेट द स्टोन, और आई कैन गो इटालियन मार्बल और एक्स वाई जी. सो suddenly so much of opportunity of creativity. That's how India has grown.
Right.
For me, it was different. I started with architecture, working on architecture part. With not having architecture work, I had to work on interior designing. Again, it's the same thing. अच्छा ये बंदे के पास तो काम नहीं है तो इंटीरियर करता होगा. But that has changed the things because for me, I will say it was like a mental gym. Because when you talk about interior, आप कुशन कलर में कितने स्टिच लेंगे, क्या कलर कॉम्पोजिशन करेंगे, एंड सडनली फ्रॉम ऑफिस, अच्छा हम वो टाउनशिप कर रहे हैं, इतने एकड़ का है तो कितना, तो ये तो मेंटल जिम के लाइक acres of the land versus going to the ones 9 by 9 each cushion in the detailing. So that has really helped me a lot, and that has taught me to go to the detail, because we always heard the word the gods live into the detail.
Yes.
But what is detail वो मालूम नहीं था. But interior designers has made me to understand about the detailing importance of the things. So that become kind of way of practice, my own growth in a way. And then after 15 years of practice, I realized landscaping is very important, and the landscaping get into. And then today, like we think of first, we think of landscape first, then the architecture. So that synergy of all three things become very important. We realize कि nature के आगे कुछ भी नहीं. Pandemic ने हमको सिखा दिया. But that wisdom I had 15 years before. This is the one will change the whatever you are creating. Yeah. So that's like a journey for me from beginning till here. So now like architecture is important, but it is not important in the visual aspect. It is much more beyond. So the way you use the word spirituality. So going to spirituality, I will get happiness to my client forever for this what we are creating? Is what we are doing after 25 years they will still love as a timelessness? So these are the aspects we work. So आर्किटेक्ट वो तो अच्छा ही बनाना है, वो तो है ही, बट उसके बियॉन्ड सबकॉन्शियस what यूज एज यू से वेरी नाइस द लेयर्स ऑफ द थिंकिंग बिहाइंड बिफोर द एंड प्रोजेक्ट. So that's we have been working. So that's the journey of